to sa'yo. Paano ka nag-start? Kasi parang ang feeling ko, nalaman ko na lang nandiyan ka na during the Metropop.
Di ba nasa States ka pa? Doon ka pa nag-start
Sa States ako
actually?
nag-start. I was 18 when I ran away from my mom. Tapos, chumika na ako ng kung saan-saan. And she had no idea na I was working as a singer. Kala niya,
So how did you start working as a singer? There,
no,
there.
I started here.
O paano?
At the age of 10, di ba uso nun yung mga singers na may dancers na nag-e-entertain sa mga nightclubs? Si Mama, meron siyang Ramses Angel. Isa ako doon, I was 10 years old. So, putsina ng mga fake bube, you came along, di ba? Tapos, high heels and the tanga effect.
At 10 years old? Isa ka talagang performer.
Hindi, pilitan. Sa
Hindi
pilitan
mo
yun.
feel pa masyado.
I didn't like show business.
So, parati ka nagpa-fight ni mami mo dahil
Oo.
hindi mo type yung ginagawa
Oo,
mo.
tago ako sa closet.
So ano nangyari? Paano ka nag-start?
Ayun.
Paano mo nagustuhan?
Oo, kasi.
Ngayon ko na lang talaga nagustuhan, ngayon ko na lang na-appreciate yung business aspect ng show business.
Hindi na mas na-appreciate mo na pinilit ka na niya at 10 years old.
Parang
Oo.
nagkakatuloy ng background.
Okay, ang background yan, siya ang nakadiscover na kumakanta ako because I would sing inside the bedroom, nakalock. Kala ko naman, si Miss Engot, na hindi ako naririnig sa labas. So, every time I would sing, I would tape it, get the lyrics, tapos practice to death. With matching compact, para may glass, tapos...
Nakikita mo ang
Nakikita mo ang sarili mo.
Oo, pero sa labas hindi ko nagagawa yan.
Sa shy ka pala. Hindi
Dati.
pagka-shy. Naku, may pagka-shy pala to si Jai. Paano hindi ko nakikita?
Did you ever think na talagang ganito ang
Wala ka. Ha?
Did
I'm
you ever
sorry?
think na ganito na ang maaabot mo? Magiging
Oo,
jaya.
oo.
Yung gano'n.
Well, Jaya started
Hindi mo
in the
naman talaga
States.
feel eh, di ba?
Oh yeah, but I
Suddenly-
needed to do it for work because I wasn't able to finish high school kasi si Mama, it was either you quit school and sing. Yun lang yung choice. One na school, sing ka na. Di naglayas ako because I knew na yung singing na pinapagawa niya sa akin hanggang clubs na lang. So I needed to have, I needed to go on a venture na...
Mas gusto mong big,
Ako mismo yung
big
gagawin.
Goal.
Pero sa'yo
No, I wasn't
magagaling.
thinking of a bigger goal. I was just thinking of doing what I wanted. Kaya yung gusto niya, sinuway ko. And then I went on my own. And then naging Jaya.
Paano mo na-cut yung single sa States?
Accident lang din yun.
Paano yun?
Uy, ang gandang accident nun, ha?
Di ba? I mean, ang dami. A lot of singers now want to make it there. Pero,
Yeah, and it's so
and you
hard to
started
penetrate.
Ganito
there.
yun. There was a model, she's black Italian. She does a lot of mga ads ng mga particular products na alam natin. Mamaya ko say. Tapos, they made me do the demo vocals of If You Leave Me Now. It's a dance song written by Stevie B. Ngayon, hindi niya makanta when she went from New York to Florida because that's our home base eh. Stevie had his own recording studio. So sabi niya, hey Louise, come over here and do a demo of the song.
Luis. Yan ang name song ni Jaya.
Yes, Luis.
Luis ka pala, darling.
Maria Luisa kasi siya.
Si Luisa po.
Luisa. Tapos, biglang, the girl came, for 6 hours, she couldn't do the first line. And the first one was, we were not just lovers. That's it.
Yun na yun. Alam ko yung kantang yun. Narinig ko yun.
Parang ganon. So, nagbabasa ng Billboard 100 magazine. Sana nandito ako, ganyan-ganyan. Posible. Tapos, nag-pack up. Then the record label president came up to me with Stevie and said, I'm writing a check for $10,000. Do you want to do the project or not?
Naman!
Of course I want to do the project! Hindi, kahit anong kinirman ko. So, it was a 5-year recording deal. But I was only able to do 2.
Bakit daw?
Nag-quit ako.
Bakit ka nag-quit?
I got sick and tired of it. It wasn't what I wanted.
It still wasn't what you were looking for.
Even though the song made it to the top 40,
Oo, namabot sa charts
walang
yun.
music video yun, Ning.
Kaya nga, Ning.
Kaya
Isa kang ang taray.